To cancel a request for interpreting or captioning services for a meeting or event, go to www.pdx.edu/disability-resource-center. Navigate to Forms and Agreements in the menu bar and select Form, Request ASL Interpreting or Captioning for Meeting/Event. Navigate to the form titled Cancel Request for ASL Interpreting or Real-Time Captioning for an Event or Meeting. Enter the name of the event you want to cancel, then enter the date of the event. If it is a recurring event, enter the first date and notify us that all dates are canceled in the Notes field. Enter your name in the Notes field, tell us any additional information that may be helpful. Please note that cancellations made less than 24 hours before the event will result in charges. If you want a copy of the response that you've made to this form, check the box and enter your email address. If you do not want a copy, simply leave the box blank, navigate to Submit, and select it to send the cancellation.